How to apply for Student Finance Canada in 2024. Step-by-step guide to get your dollars fast. Step-by-step guide. How to apply for Student Finance Canada. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. Be a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, or a protected person. Be enrolled in an eligible post-secondary program. Example, university, college, grade school. Study full-time or part-time. Demonstrate financial need. Step 2. Gather required documents. Before you begin the application, make sure you have Social Insurance Number or SIN, proof of enrollment from your school, tax information from the previous years, yours and your parents or guardians if applicable, bank account details for direct deposit. Step 3. Create an account on the National Student Loan Service Center or NSLSC. Visit the NSLC website www.csnpe-nslsc.canada.ca. Sign up for an account using your SIN and other personal information. Verify your identity using your CRA credentials or set up a new CRA account. Step 4. Log into your province or territory's portal. Each province and territory has its own system linked to the Canada Student Financial Assistance Program or CSFA. Depending on your location, you will apply through the respective online portal. Ontario or OSAP, Ontario Student Assistance Program. British Columbia, Student Aid BC. Alberta, Alberta Student Aid. Quebec, Aide Financière aux Études. Step 5. Complete the application. And before we proceed, in order for you to complete the application, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 1. Fill in personal information. Name, address, SIN, etc. 2. Input details about your school, program, and academic year. 3. Provide financial information, income, assets, and expected contributions from family or spouse. 4. Review the terms and conditions and sign electronically. Step 6. Submit your application. Double-check all information for accuracy. Submit your completed application online. Step 7. Wait for approval. Processing can take 4 to 6 weeks. You'll receive notifications via email or through the portal about the status of your application. If approved, you will receive an award letter outlining the amount of your loan or grant. Step 8. Set up loan disbursement. Log into the NSLC account once approved to confirm your funding agreement. Submit any additional documents required. Example, proof of enrollment. Set up your bank account for direct deposit. Step 9. Maintain your eligibility. Ensure you remain enrolled in an eligible program and meet academic progress requirements. Notify your student aid provider of any changes in your financial situation or enrollment status. Step 10. Repay after graduation. You will need to start repaying your loan 6 months after you graduate or stop being a full-time student. Set up a repayment plan through NSLC. And that's it, friends. You have taken the first big step toward funding your future. Remember, every great journey starts with a single action. And by applying for student finance, you are opening the door to endless possibilities. Believe in yourself. Your dreams are valid, and the tools to make them come true are right in front of you. You've got this. The magic you need is already within you. The rest, just paperwork. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks for your educational journey. Here's to your bright future. Go make it happen.